Hello my friends and welcome. Today I would like to show you a couple of ways of how to make horizontal buttonholes. Now when you're on the right side of the knitting, I have 16 stitches altogether, 6 stitches for both sides and 4 for the buttonhole there. We need first 6 stitches. Now these 4 are for button. The first one, then the second one, and then we bind off first stitch there, bind off 2, bind off 3, and bind off the fourth one. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, and that's the 6th one there. We just keep knitting. Make sure after binding you tighten up this first stitch. You're on the wrong side of the knitting now. We'll need 6 stitches and then we will cast 4 on like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And usually you would just keep knitting those last 6 stitches there, but I want to you see that 1, 2, 3, 4 bind off stitches, and the first one there is the outer edge of it. We'll pick that up and we'll put it on the left hand needle, and we'll knit 2 of them together like that. Tighten it up and finish your knitting there. So on the right side again, and we have these 4 casted on stitches. We just knit those. 1, 2, 3, 4, and finish your row there. We have a buttonhole, and it's pretty. There's no visible strands on the sides. I kept knitting, and that's a 1 by 1 rib stitch, and I have 16 stitches on the needle, but to position horizontal buttonhole correctly, we would like it to be somewhere, let's say, either here or between purl stitches there. If I put it there, then I will end up 7 stitches on this side and 6 stitches on the left side. So when you do, if you do rib stitch 1 by 1, you should choose odd number, let's say 15 or 17 instead of 16. But nevertheless, I want to show you another way of doing buttonhole. So I'll knit 7 stitches to knit, purl 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll We'll do a buttonhole here and we'll bind off only 3 stitches this time, but instead of knitting and then binding them off, we will take the first stitch off, take the second off, and then just put that one first over. So we don't knit them, yeah? So there will go second stitch there, and we will bind the third one without knitting as well. There. We bind off 3 stitches, put this back on the left hand needle, and our yarn is here, so we just cast on 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, like that. Now we keep knitting, and this first stitch there, which is going to be purl, yeah, because next one is knit, we'll purl the next one, and we will tighten it up properly, yeah, and knit next one, work till the end of the round, turn your work around, we need rib stitch one by one, the first one there, and then there's the first cast on stitch, we just knit here, the second one we will also knit, and the third one, and this part here we still have a visible gap there. From the left side here, 1 row below, just pick up this thread there and put it on your left needle, and we will knit 2 stitches together like that, and then tighten it all up and continue to the end of your round. Now we turn the knitting over, knit 1, purl 1, here, so we will have to knit this, parallel that one, knit, and parallel, knit, and there's your buttonhole there. This is how it looks from the left side and the right side of the knitting. I like them both. Try both and see which way you prefer.